In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run a Prime Day discount and a Prime Day coupon. Now, Prime Day is from July 8th to July 11th, so it's coming up really quickly, so you should get this in. First, you're going to log in, and you're going to make sure that your products are FBA and copy that ASIN of the product you want to run it for. You're going to go into your tab, and you're going to open coupons. This is going to be the first one we're opening. And the next one we're opening is price discounts, right? Now, the first one we're running is a coupon, and this is the cheapest one to do right now for Prime Day, or at least to start, right? So you're going to click create a new coupon. Once you do this, we're going to do standard and see how it says all customers. Instead, we're going to do program Amazon Prime members, right? So all Amazon Prime customers, right? So this is pretty much the way to do it. Now you're going to type in that ASIN that I just said. And there we go. We're going to enroll this participating. And now we're going to click continue. You're going to do the start date. And we're going to do July 8th to July 11th, right? And there you go. And here's the coupon fees. And then you have to do a minimum of 5% off. So there you go. You could do 5% off. Set your budget and then set your title, maybe Prime Day. This is pretty much to have an effective coupon title. Choose a definition that accurately describes the product group. For example, say 50% on hand sanitizers. And you can allow stacking or no stacking, right? And that's completely up to you. And then you click continue, and then you can run that deal for Prime Day. The second deal that you can run for Prime Day is going to be the price discount. Now, this is the main one you can run. And what you're going to do is you're going to click create a price discount right here. And now you're going to select your country, and we're doing the US. Now you're going to select your account. And now you're going to select the event. And this one specifically says Prime Day. Now, the event fee, as you can see, is $100. So this one is specifically for Prime Day. You're going to do the fixed amount, internal description, add products. And again, you need to manually add that product. Where'd it go? There it is. Search. There it is. And you're going to click add. Now you're going to click set up discounts. And now it automatically has that discount value for you. So let's say it's right now our regular price is $59.99. It's going to be 20% off minimum for Prime Day. Okay. So again, you can do it instead $46.99. That's fine. Or $48. And right when you do above, let's say we want to give 19% off. Amazon doesn't like that. They won't even let you do it. So you have to go with that one that Amazon says, or you can give a bigger discount. Committed units. So that way, if you want to try to sell out of all your units, and then you're going to submit it. And then you say potential funding. This is the total amount of funding in local currency you would provide if the ASIN sold through all of its committed units. Potential funding is calculated by multiplying the funding per unit and committed units for the ASIN. So this is pretty much, this isn't extra money you're giving to Amazon. This is just saying if you regularly sold it for $59.99, now that you're selling it for $47.99, you pretty much are potentially losing $800, but you're selling out of your inventory. So again, this is just Amazon being Amazon, right? It only costs $100. You're not actually getting charged this $816. But then you're just going to click submit. After you click submit, come back, make sure that everything's running. Again, the coupon is a great way to start if you didn't want to give 20% off. That's why I showed it to you. And then this one is an actual Prime Day official discount that costs $100 and you have to give 20% off. So you have two different ways. Yes, you can run both. Completely up to you, but at least you have options and you know how to run something for Prime Day. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because as you know, we're always giving great content. If you need help, our links in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.